Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to make fade in and fade out effect in Shotcut. Okay, so the process is really simple. We need to move our cursor on the track, and here we have pulsing dot. We need to press and hold this dot and move it to the left side, maybe something like that. It will let us to make fade out effect. It will looks like that. How you see it looks really great, but if you would like to add fade in effect, you need to move cursor to the left side, and here we have pulsing dot 2. We need to press and hold this dot, and then we need to change position to the right side, maybe something like that. And let's check the effect now. So I click play button, and how you see fade in effect has been successfully added here. If you would like to add more fade in and fade out effects, you should split your video. For example, I will split it here by clicking S, or by using this one option, split at playhead. Then you will be able to add another fade in and fade out effects. And remember that by using this one effect, you will be able to make really great animations and transitions. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.